I can honestly promise you that these tips will change your life. They will elevate the way you feel about yourself, and overall they will just make your life so much easier. Hi guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about high maintenance things you should do to stay low maintenance. Luckily for you, I have put a lot of effort into high maintenance, low maintenance. So when I recommend these products and these tips, they are the top of the top. All the products that I mentioned in this video will be on my Amazon, and I'll have a link down below. The very first one, laser hair removal. You can either do this at a salon or you can do this at home. I got this device off Amazon and my expectations for this were extremely low. I didn't think it would really work, and if it did work, I didn't think the results were gonna be great. I was wrong. I use this product on my armpits and my bikini. I am telling you, whether you choose to do laser at home or at a salon, it will change your life. You don't have to shave, you don't have to deal with stubble, so that way if your friends invite you to a pool party, you wanna go to the beach, or you just wanna be hairless and you don't want to have to shave all the time, then this is a total game changer. If you get one tip from this video, let it be laser hair removal. The next tip is to have a tan. I have gone through so many tanning products. A lot of them make me break out. I have extremely sensitive skin. I'm acne prone. I found these tanning drops. They have no pore clogging ingredients. They give you the best tan. When I have a tan on my face, I feel like I don't really need to wear makeup. Maybe just a little bit of concealer and I can be out the door. It just gives you a nice healthy glow. And if you have some red spots or blemishes, it kind of just hides those. You know the feeling in the summertime when you have a bomb tan? You just feel better. You feel like your skin looks better. This will do the exact same thing. You mix this with some of your moisturizer, apply it right before bed, and in the morning you will wake up with a beautiful tan. You can carry this down to your neck and chest as well. Then for the rest of my body, I like to use a gradual tan instead of like a tanning mousse. I just think it's a little bit more natural. It doesn't clog your pores as much. My all-time favorite one is from Bondi Sands in the blue bottle. The quality of that product is just so much better than like a Jergens, for example. I absolutely love that one. I have been using it for years and years. I feel so much better when I have a tan. I'll work out with my sports bra on. I just feel better in my clothes. I feel better when I go out. If your friends invite you for a night out, you won't have to do a whole tanning routine because you've already been doing this. So high maintenance to stay low maintenance. My next tip is probably one of my favorites. I mean, the laser is my favorite, but this is just right up there. This is a lip stain. I have tested this many lip stains. This one lasts the longest. I've used all their colors and the shade Mauve is the best. I've put so many girls onto this from my TikTok and from my Instagram. The amount of DMs that I receive on a regular basis thanking me for sharing this lip stain is insane. You can just apply it in the morning, peel it off, and you will be good for the entire day. Especially on a night out when you're drinking, you're eating, you do not have to worry about your lips. They will be perfect the entire night. This next one is really a personal preference, but I don't know, I feel like everybody should be doing this, and that is whitening your teeth. There is something about having white teeth that just makes your lipsticks look better, makes your lip gloss look better, just overall your mouth, you just look clean, you look put together. My favorite whitening strips are the Crest 3D whitening strips, the sensitive kind. I have really sensitive teeth because I've been whitening my teeth since middle school. These are good for sensitive teeth and they work. The proof is right here. If your teeth are extra sensitive, I would recommend using this brand, the Luminix brand. This one is extremely gentle. It is extremely natural. I swear you could use like 30 of these back to back and your teeth would not sting. I love whitening strip. I just love white teeth. I don't know what it is. I just love it. The next thing on our list for high maintenance, low maintenance is Heatless Curls. I know what you're thinking. How am I gonna sleep in these? Or I've tried to sleep in these. These just don't work. They don't hold the curl. Listen, it is all about finding the correct rod for your hair. If you have really thick hair, I would recommend using a rod like this. It's Velcro and it's just very sturdy, so this is gonna hold your curl better. If you have fine hair, which I do, I have more fine, thin hair, I like to use these silk rods. They're really flexible. They're more comfortable for my hair type, so thin hair, use these, and thicker hair, use these. If you guys want me to do a whole video on how to use these, I totally can. As soon as you figure out a method that works for you, these will change your life. When we're getting ready in the morning, we have to do our makeup, we have to do our skincare, we have to do our hair. It can just take hours. And if your hair is already done, that is one less step that you have to do. One of the best high maintenance, low maintenance tips, you will literally wake up in the morning, take these out, and your hair will be full, it will have volume, it will have a curl. Heatless Curls, figure out a rod that works for your hair and find a way that works for you, because as soon as you do, you will thank me. The next high maintenance, low maintenance tip is focusing on the inside. Having good skin and having clear skin and just having a healthy glow truly comes from the inside out. If you're eating healthy, if you're drinking enough water, it will show on the outside. I have a bunch of supplements that I take just for my skin, and it has helped me so much. The one I'm going to recommend in this video is zinc and beef liver. This helps with anti-aging, acne, just the overall look and health of your skin. Absolutely swear by these. The last and final tip, even though I have way more, is going to be a lash serum. I know a lot of people have discoloration from it, so let me just explain it. First of all, having long lashes just kind of makes your life easier. I used to wear lash extensions, I used to wear fake lashes. It's honestly just so time consuming, all of that. I finally took the time to prioritize the health of my lashes and grow them long. So now I just curl them, I pop some mascara on, and they're honestly the longest that they have ever been. I mean, this is crazy for me. I'll use this for a certain amount of time and you're gonna get a little bit of darkness around your eyes. The second you like your results and you're happy with where you are, stop using it, and in a few days to a week, the discoloration will clear up 100%. I hear people freaking out about products like this because they discolor. They discolor while you're using it. The second you stop using it, it will fade, it will go away. Those are all of my high maintenance to stay low maintenance tips. I actually have a lot more of these tips, so let me know if you want another video. Also, let me know if you want a video on me using all of these products. I can do like a high maintenance, low maintenance routine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post every single day on this platform. That is it for this video. Leave me a comment down below which tip is your favorite or which tip will you be trying out. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.